What does Islam do? I start with the name of Allah. O Allah, we ask you for peace and blessings upon our Prophet Muhammad. Islam replaces the rule of man with Allah's rule. Throughout history, humanity has been enslaved by kings, queens, age-old customs, ways of forefathers, graves, superstitions, idols, money, or desires. Islam released them from this slavery and brought them in the worship of Allah. Kings had a major role in enslaving humanity. When people grew dissatisfied, they invented democracy. The rich retained control from behind the scenes. Today, rulers enslave people through economic, educational, or military means. Interest, usury, insurance, indirect taxes, and GST is a form of economic slavery. Or it's a pre-planned invasion to capture resources. Or they design a school syllabus that changes the thinking of an entire country. To repeat, Islam replaces the rule of man with Allah's rule.